Let's analyze some of the Windows functions and their use cases. You can find all of the Windows functions within the table calculations. If you scroll down, you can find all of the Windows functions with their respective aggregations. These Windows functions can only be used if you have some type of tabular or matrix type chart. The most commonly used functions are Windows sum and Windows average. Let's do some use cases. Let's bring the order date and convert it to the continuous months. Convert it to the discrete so that we can perform aggregations on measures. Let's pull profits to see how values are populating. Now the use case is for each month we want to compare previous 6 months of average of profit. This can be easily achieved with the help of Windows functions, and the functions which we are going to use is Windows average. I have already created the calculated field. Let's check the syntax. The syntax need us to give the aggregation of the measure, the positions of the cells to which we want to calculate the Windows average. So currently I'm saying from current position to previous minus 5 positions. If we include the current cell as well, it means we are getting average of 6 cells including the current cell. Let's bring this measure to validate. Let's pull it to the text, and for better view select the text chart. Since this is table calculation, you need to check how this table calculation is being computed. There are two ways of doing it. Either you can select table down, table across depending upon the orientation of the chart, or you can do the edit table calculation and use the custom options available. Since we want to do the averages based on the month of order date, we are not going to change it. To validate this, let's select any of the 6 profits. Average of the 6 profit from the month of January 2014 to June 2014 is 2503, and it will repeat for each cell. Using this, we can create many custom calculations such as comparing the actual profit and the average of past 6 months profit. The difference will be useful to compare how each month is performing over time. Similarly, you can use other Windows functions. Instead of using averages, you can use Windows sum, Windows minimum, Windows maximum, and change the position of the cell computation and orientation as per your needs. You can check the needed syntaxes for each Windows functions within the table calculations and modify your calculation as per your need. That should be enough to get you started with the Windows function. Thank you.